Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Range Rover Sport. From any screen, well, first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom for Bluetooth. Now you can either go, if there's nothing connected in the car, if you click on Home menu, you'll see there's nothing connected. You can please pair phone there, or you can go to phone, and it says search for new. So search new, vehicle to device, because that generates a random PIN code for you, so you don't have to type a number in on here and on there as well. It just saves you 5 presses of a button, but today's busy times. So searching for a phone, Barry's iPhone 11, click on there. To pair and connect phone, enter 2769 on handset. That's automatically come up here, the pin pad 2769, and then click pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone. Range Rover Sport connected. Range Rover Sport connected on the audio system too.